Tutorial number 19, Lookup Tables. Hello, and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. Within the context menu of the View window, accessible with a right click, you can activate or deactivate the View Color option. Please note that this color view is possible even when you have connected a monochrome camera. This feature enables you to display so-called false color or pseudo color coded images with the help of lookup tables. Press File in the main menu and select Open Pseudo Color LUT to get access to the selection dialog. With the help of a drop-down menu, you can select the preferred lookup table which you want to apply to your image. The example pattern will show you the colors which will be applied in exchange to the corresponding intensity value. Be aware that the lookup table is sensitive to your actual contrast adjustment as it is applied to the converted histogram representing your raw image with only 256 intensity values. If you cannot find a suitable LUT within our default set of examples, you can easily customize a lookup table which matches your preferences. If you press on one color of the example pattern, you can define the color which should be applied in your custom LUT. Once you defined all colors, you can save this lookup table and reload it at any time. Experienced users can access the lookup tables directly via the pco.camware folder on your PC. You will find a folder named LUT within the directory where the template files can be edited. That's all about the usage of lookup tables within pco.camware. Thank you for watching our video tutorial.